Hello everybody, just a real quick video to show you I guess assembly on the stand to hold up the Bigfoot. It's reversible, so what I mean by that is you can turn Bigfoot either direction the way I have it set up. The stand itself, Bigfoot just sits into the base, so you can turn Bigfoot around and put it in the other way. When it comes to the stand, you'll notice how it's put together. There's an arc, there's the small piece, and then there's the base. There's a pre-drilled hole in the bottom for both Bigfoot and for the arm that holds it up. You'll have to assemble this small piece. Holes are drilled already. Just put it together so that it matches up in the shape and the size. And then again, after this is already together, then you would put Bigfoot in the slot, facing either direction, doesn't matter. I would then put the 2 screws into the back of Bigfoot and then just tilt it up and put a screw into the bottom of each feet. You're not aiming at the bottom. Okay, so here and here. And that's all. Very simple. It'll sit up on its own.